Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we are diving into a Math Olympiad challenge that will boost your problem solving skills. So let's jump right in. Here we have 11 plus 8 times x all over 2 plus 3 times x whole cubed minus 1 minus 7 times x all over 2 plus 3 times x whole cubed is equal to 125. So here we have to find the value of x, but remember that x belongs to real number. Now starting our solution, that our problem is, here we have 11 plus 8x. So 11 plus 8 times x all over 2 plus 3 times x whole cubed minus, here first of all, this 1 minus 7x, if we just write on this minus 1 taking common here, so we will write that minus 1 is taking common in numerator, then we will get here plus 1 will be minus 1 and minus 7x will be plus 7x all over 2 plus 3x 2 plus 3x whole cubed. Here we have whole cubed, that is equal to 125. Now our second step is this 11 plus 8x writing as same, so all over 2 plus 3x can also be written as 3x plus 2, there is no difference, so whole cubed, and here this minus time minus will be plus times, here we have minus 1, so if we just write 7x first, 7x and this minus 1, then 7x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 2 all over, here we have all to the power 3, whole to the power 3. Now it is equal to 125. Now we see that here we have 3x plus 2 in denominator, and in second term we have 3x plus 2 in denominator, so we are going to just suppose here, let us suppose that this first term, which is 11 plus 8 times x all over 3x plus 2 is equal to a. So let's say it is our equation number 1. Similarly, this one 7x minus 1 all over 3x plus 2 is equal to b. So it is our equation number 2. Now if we substitute these two values here in our problem, then this step will be, here we have 11 plus 8x over 3x plus 2 is equal to a, so it will be a cubed and it is plus b cubed, which is equal to 125. So 125 can also be written as 5 cubed, which is equal to 125. Let's say it is our equation number 3. Now if we add equation 1 and equation number 2, then we have adding equation 1 and equation 2. So left hand side of equation 1 is here 11 plus 8x, so we just write here a plus b on our left hand side. So a plus b is equal to, that is 11 plus 8x over 3x plus 2, and here we have plus, that is 7x minus 1 all over 3x plus 2, which is the left hand side of this equation number 2. Now our next step will be a plus b is equal to, here we see that denominator are same, so we just take 1 3x plus 2, here we get 11 plus 8 times x plus 7 times x minus 1. Now by simplification we have a plus b is equal to 8x plus 7x, we will get 15x, and here 11 minus 1 we have plus 10 all over 3 times x plus 2. Now here if we just take that, here if we just take 5 is common, So we have x plus, here we get 3x 5, 15 divided by 5 we get 3x, and plus here we have 2 all over 3x plus 2. Now this 3x plus 2 can be cancelled out. We get a plus b is equal to 5. A plus b is equal to 5. So let's say it is our equation number 4. Now recall equation 3. Here recall our equation number 3. So equation 3 implies that is a cube plus b cubed is equal to 5 cubed. So here we have a cubed plus b cubed is equal to 5 cubed. Here if we just take this value of a plus b, which is equal to 5, so here we have a cubed plus b cubed is equal to, as according to this equation number 4, this 5 is equal to a plus b. So putting this value of 5, which is a plus b, and here we have cubed, so a plus b whole cube. Now a cubed plus b cubed is equal to, according to that algebraic identities, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cubed plus b cubed plus 3 times a times b times a plus b. So it is very basic school formula here we just use here. So a cubed plus, if we just shift this plus a cube to our left hand side, it will be minus a cube, and here plus b cube, and it will be minus b cubed, which is equal to 3 times a times b times a plus b. Here positive a cube negative a cubed is cancelled. Similarly b cubed minus b cubed is cancelled. We get 3 times a times b times a plus b is equal to 0. Now dividing 3 on both hand side, so we have here dividing by 3, then this 3 is cancelled out. We get ab times a plus b, that is equal to 0. Now here according to system of equation we have a is equal to 0, similarly b is equal to 0, and this a plus b is also equal to 0. Here a plus b is equal to 0, but according to equation number 4 a plus b is equal to 5, so it is not possible that a plus b is equal to 0. It is actually not equal to 0, so we are going to just reject this one. A plus b, here it is rejected because we have the value of a plus b is 5. Now here a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. Now putting these two values in our equation number 1 and equation number 2, so we have to just recall equation number 1 and equation number 2. So our equation 1 implies that here we have our equation number 1, 11 plus 8 times x over 3x plus 2 is equal to a, and equation 2 is 7x minus 1 all over 3x plus 2 is equal to b. So we have to put the value of a and b. Now here equation 1 is 11 plus 8 times x all over 3x plus 2 is equal to a. So here a is equal to 0, we just put the value of a. Similarly equation 2 is 7x minus 1 all over 3x plus 2 is equal to b, and b is equal to 0. Now if we just cross multiply here, so 3x plus 2 will be 0, and here if we just multiply by 3x plus 2, so we just write here 3x plus 2 times 11 plus a times x all over 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 times 3x plus 2. Then here this will be cancelled. We get 11 plus 8 times x is equal to 0. This 0 times this one is equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of x here. So simply 8x is equal to, moving this one, we get minus 11, dividing 8 on both hand side. So here 8 is cancelled out. The value of x, which is first solution of x, is minus 11 over 8. Here we get first solution of x, which is minus 11 over 8. Now solving our second equation, which is equation number 2, as we know that it is also equal to 0. So 7x minus 1, 3x plus 2 multiplied by 0, we get 0. Here we have 7x, shifting this one, we get 1, minus 1 will be positive 1. So dividing 7 on both hand side, here we get the value of x is equal to 1 over 7. So it is the second solution of x. We see that both solutions are real solution as it is given in our problem. So now let's verify our values of x for this equation. So for verification of this problem, we have to recall our problem. Now when x is equal to minus 11 over 8, this equation will be 11 plus 8 times x is minus 11 over 8 all over 2 plus 3x, which is 2 plus 3 times minus 11 over 8 whole cubed, minus, here we have 1 minus 7 times minus 11 over 8 all over 2 plus 3 times minus 11 over 8. Now whole cubed, is it equal to 125? Now by simplification, we just write 11 plus this 8 can be cancelled out. We get plus times minus is minus. So here we have minus 11 all over, that is 2 plus minus minus, 11 times 3 is 33 all over 8 whole cubed, minus, here 1 minus times minus is plus, 7 times 11 is 77 over 8. Similarly, here we have 2 minus 33 over 8 whole cubed. Is it equal to 125? Now, if we see the first term here in numerator, 11 plus times minus is minus 11. So plus 11 minus 11 will be 0. Here we get 0. It will be cancelled. So this whole term is equal to 0. Now, here 0 minus, this will be, if we just take 8 is least common multiple, so we get 8 times 1 is 8 plus 77 all over 8. Here we have 8 is least common multiple, 8 times 2 is 16 minus 33 whole cubed. Is it equal to 125? Now here 0 minus, here we get 8 plus 77, which is equal to 85 over 8. And here we get, we just write division sign here. So 16 minus 33, we just write here that 16 minus 33. So we have 17 over 8. And here we have minus sign. Don't forget, here we have minus sign. Is it equal to 125? Now minus 85 over 8, here we just put braces. So 85 over 8 multiply that, changing the here denominator into numerator, and numerator will be denominator. Now this 8 will be cancelled, so it is cubed. Don't forget, it is cubed here. Now here 17 1 is 17 and 17 5s are 85. We get this minus 5 actually. So we have minus times minus 5 whole cubed that is it equal to 125? Now here we get minus time minus is plus 5 cubed. Is it equal to 125? And yes, 5 cubed is equal to 125, which is equal to 125. So hence we prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now this value of x, which is minus 11 over 8, it is true for this problem. Now we have to use second value of x, which is 1 over 7. So we have to verify for this problem. So now when x is equal to 1 over 7, then this equation will be 11 plus 8 times 1 over 7 all over 2 plus 3 times 1 over 7 whole cubed minus, here we have 1 minus 7 times 1 over 7 all over 2 plus 3 times 1 over 7 whole cubed. Is it equal to 125? Now we have here in numerator we just write 11 plus 8 over 7 all over 2 plus 3 over 7 whole cubed. Now here we see that this 7 is cancelled out, we get 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, then this entire expression will be equal to 0. So we just write here 0. Is it equal to 125? Now our next step is 7, taking this common multiple. So 77 plus 8 all over, here we get 7 is least common multiple, we get 14 plus 3, that is whole cubed. Is it equal to 125? So 77 plus 8 is 85 over 7 divided by 17 over 7 whole cubed. Is it equal to 125? So our final steps are that 85 over 7, changing this sign division into multiplication, we get 7 over 17. This 7 cancelled, here we get 5 and whole cubed. Is it equal to 125? So 5 cubed is equal to, is it equal to 125? So 5 cube is equal to 125 is equal to 125. So hence prove that left hand side of this equation is equal to right hand side. So our value of x, our second value of x, which is 1 over 7, it is also valid for this problem. Now our final answer will be that we have two values of x, that is x is equal to minus 11 over 8 and x is equal to 1 over 7. So you can just check our entire solution here step by step. Now the value of x, we are going to just write our answer here. We have two values, that is minus 11 over 8 and other value is 1 over 7. So it is our final answer. So that's it for today. I hope you have really enjoyed this video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone preparing Math Olympiad competitions, and subscribe for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.